Hey everyone, welcome to day 6 of OpenAI's 12 Days of Innovation. We now have live video and screen sharing. They're rolling out through advanced voice mode starting today, and you can now chat with Santa Claus in real time. So let me show you what was covered today and how all of these features will work. This is a screenshot that I took here from the call today. As you see, this is what advanced mode looks like in the ChatGPT application. So there is a new button here at the bottom left. You see the little video icon. This was mind-blowing, the demo today that they gave. Essentially, they introduced everyone that was in the room for the call. They went around the horn and kind of introduced one another. And then what one individual on the OpenAI team did was the individual was like, hey, so who was wearing the reindeer antlers? And ChatGPT immediately answered and said, this is the person that was wearing the reindeer antlers. He continued to quiz based on the individuals in the room and what they were wearing based on the prior introductions each of the team members gave through the live video feed. It looks very similar to FaceTime, although, FaceTime, the other person would have their camera on, and you are still left with the traditional bubble of ChatGPT, which I'll pull up what the actual interface looks like while in live video mode here. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like once you've enabled the live video mode, clicking that button at the bottom left of the application in advanced voice on ChatGPT. The interface pops up and you will see your live video feed, which you can rotate, etc. But at this point in time, he was introducing everyone in the room. And then after this, they started working on coffee, and they had a coffee maker with some filters and some coffee grounds, I believe. And ChatGPT was giving recommendations on how to perfect the coffee to ensure there was no paper taste or filter taste in the coffee, giving recommendations there. Essentially, it combines voice, video, and then there was one other component here, which was screen share. Want to show you a screenshot of the video taken today. So at this point, they had enabled the screen share functionality in advanced voice to chat with ChatGPT and get live feedback based on what ChatGPT sees on your screen. This is perfect for things like troubleshooting, collaborative tasks, and receiving guided help on complex topics like documents or applications. But in this specific example they gave, they went into their text messaging app, and ChatGPT was able to quickly read all of the text in the conversation, as well as look at the image and provide a reply example that this individual could send back to their friend that sent them this picture of the Santa Claus outfit. So it was super cool. So not only did we get live video today, we also got screen share. It's huge stuff. No longer is it simply a chat bot. It actually can see and, respond to the world in real time, which are two very big leaps here today from ChatGPT and OpenAI. As for the access and usage, it's currently available to Teams, Plus, and Pro users, rolling out throughout the next week here on both mobile and desktop. As far as enterprise and EDU tier members, these will get access about early next year from what they stated. So these features will be rolling out gradually. They did say it may take some time to reach all eligible users, and only available to users with access to advanced voice mode, of course, and not yet available to free tier members at this time. The next update we got is a new voice in advanced voice mode. This is, of course, Santa Claus. It's accessible globally to all users with voice mode on mobile and desktop apps and web. You can have real-time conversations with Santa Claus. You can ask questions, hear holiday stories, enjoy festive jokes, those sort of things. There's a little snowflake icon in the home screen of ChatGPT, and you can enable it in the settings from what they were stating. Didn't quite see it just yet, but it should be rolling out very soon. The first time you do access Santa Claus in advanced voice, it does actually reset your advanced voice usage limits one time, even if you had already reached your limit of advanced voice. So this is super awesome and can't wait to hear some stories, especially if you have kids or little ones. Like, this is going to be a lot of fun talking with Santa Claus. And based on what I heard in the call, it sounds really good. So can't wait to dive into it. Okay, everyone, that is it. Day 6 of OpenAI's 12 Days of Innovation. And in my personal opinion, I think this is the biggest update we have gotten yet. Tomorrow we'll get day 7. And then, of course, throughout the weekend, there will be no updates. So we won't have another update until Monday next week. Advanced vision or video is here, and now in screen share, and now we have Santa Claus built into ChatGPT and advanced voice. So can't wait for the future updates here. Let me know your thoughts below, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.